Did you know Australia has a waterfall that flows upwards? Or a desert that swallows entire rivers? How about an island continent that's mostly empty space, with more camels than people in some spots? Australian geography is packed with mind-bending quirks that make you question everything you thought you knew about maps. Some sound straight out of sci-fi, but they're real. Buckle up. We're diving into 20 of the most bizarre and unbelievable facts about Australia's geography. Fact number 20. The upside-down waterfall. In the wilds of Western Australia, Yindi Yindi Falls does something waterfalls aren't supposed to. It flows upwards. Strong winds whip up the mist from the base, shooting water higher than where it starts, sometimes 20 meters or more. It's not a trick of the eye. It's physics gone rogue in the Kimberley region, where seasonal monsoons meet massive cliffs. Most falls obey gravity, but this one's a rebel, turning nature's rules on their head. Fact number 19. The desert that eats rivers. Australia's Lake Eyre Basin is home to one of the planet's thirstiest spots, Lake Eyre itself. This massive salt flat swallows rivers like the mighty Cooper Creek, which vanish into it without reaching the sea. It only fills every few years from rare floods, turning into a surreal pink lake teeming with birds. Covering 9,500 square kilometers when full, it's the lowest point in Australia at 15 meters below sea level, a geographic black hole in the outback. Fact number 18. More camels than anywhere else. Forget the Middle East, Australia has the world's largest wild camel population, over 1 million feral beasts roaming the deserts. Introduced in the 1800s for transport, they went rogue and now thrive in the arid interior, outnumbering people in places like the Simpson Desert. These humped wanderers cover 3.7 million square kilometers, shaping dunes and even impacting indigenous tracks. It's a geographic twist no one saw coming. Fact number 17. The longest fence on Earth. Stretching 3,488 kilometers across the outback, the Dingo Fence, once called the Dog Fence, is the longest man-made structure in the world, longer than the Great Wall of China. Built in the 1880s to keep dingoes away from sheep farms, it snakes through Queensland, New South Wales, and South Australia. Fact number 16. Uluru's magnetic mystery. Uluru, or Ayers Rock, isn't just massive. It's got a weird magnetic pull that messes with compasses. This 3.6-kilometer monolith in the Northern Territory shifts polarity underground thanks to iron-rich minerals from ancient tectonic drama 550 million years ago. Sacred to the Anangu people, it changes color with the sun, but that compass glitch has pilots and hikers double-checking their bearings. Geography with a supernatural vibe. Fact number 15. The emptiest continent. Australia's got 7.7 million square kilometers, but only 26 million people, making it the least densely populated continent after Antarctica. Vast swaths like the Great Victoria Desert are emptier than the Sahara, with some 100,000 square kilometer zones holding zero permanent residents. It's a land of endless red dirt and spinifex, where remote means flying hours from anywhere. Population clings to the coast, leaving the heart a geographic void. Fact number 14. Pink lakes everywhere. Australia boasts some of the world's pinkest waters, like Lake Hillier in Western Australia. This vibrant bubblegum lake stays rosy year-round due to algae and bacteria loving its salty brine, saltier than the ocean. You can swim in it safely from a pontoon. But planes buzz overhead for selfies. Fact number 13. The Great Barrier Reef's scale. Visible from space, the Great Barrier Reef stretches 2,300 kilometers off Queensland, bigger than Italy, with 2,900 reefs and 900 islands. It's the planet's largest living structure, built by 400 coral types over millennia. Bleaching hits hard from warming seas, but its geographic sprawl hosts 1,500 fish species. Fact number 12. Horizontal waterfalls. In Talbot Bay, horizontal falls squeeze through narrow gorges, creating waterfalls that run sideways. Tidal surges up to 10 meters per second blast through 20 20-meter gaps in the Makladi Range, making water shoot horizontally like a fire hose. Aboriginal lore calls them sacred. Fact number 11. The spinning rock domes. Pernalulu National Park hides Bungle Bungle Range. Beehive-shaped sandstone domes striped black and orange, spinning like natural barber poles. Eroded over 350 million years, these 350-meter towers cover 240 square kilometers in Western Australia. Monsoon rains sculpt them yearly, revealing quartz bands. UNESCO listed, they're a geologic funhouse you access only by 4WD. Fact number 10. Deeper than the Grand Canyon. The Bungle Bungle gorges plunge deeper than Arizona's famous chasm, some over 100 meters with palm-fringed walls. Cathedral Gorge echoes like a cave, while Echidna Chasm squeezes hikers amid laser-like quartz. Carved by ancient rivers, this Kimberley wonder outdoes expectations, proving Australia's hidden depths rival anywhere. Fact number 9. The fiery mountain that isn't a volcano. Mount Augustus in Western Australia dwarfs Uluru twice over at 717 meters high and 8 kilometers around, Earth's biggest monolith. It's not volcanic. Wind and water shaped this granite giant over 1.6 billion years. Camping under its bulk feels epic, with Aboriginal stories etched in rock. Size wins here. Fact number 8. Shark Bay's strawberry stromatolites. World's oldest life forms bubble in Shark Bay. Stromatolites, living fossils 3.5 billion years old. These strawberry-textured mounds form in hypersaline shallows, trapping sediment like mini coral reefs. The bay's 1,500 kilometers of coastline hosts millions, a microbial mat holding oxygen's origin story. Geography meets deep time. Fact number 7. The never-ending straight road. The Air Highway's 90-mile straight runs 149 kilometers without a bend, Australia's and one of world's longest straight stretch. It bisects the Nullarbor Plain, a 200,000 square kilometer limestone karst with no trees, just scrub. Drivers hallucinate from monotony. It's raw, flat outback engineering. Fact number 6. Wave Rock's frozen tsunami. Hayden's wave rock curls like a 15-meter breaking wave, frozen in granite. Rain eroded over 60 million years into a 110-meter wall. It surfs eternally. Locals paint it with fake graffiti for laughs. Classic Aussie geology with a playful twist. Fact number 5. Fraser Island's Dune Mountains. World's tallest sand dunes tower 245 meters on Fraser Island. Kagari, a 1,600 square kilometer World Heritage sand giant off Queensland. No rivers, just lakes and rainforests on dunes. Ancient sands from 700,000 years ago form mountains you four-wheel drive over. It's a beach on steroids. Fact number 4. The trench deeper than Everest is tall. Off Tasmania, the Diamantina Trench plunges 8,047 meters, deeper than Everest's height. This submarine canyon in the Indian Ocean spans 1,000 kilometers, carved by ancient currents. Unexplored depths hide weird life. It's Australia's hidden Grand Canyon underwater. Fact number 3. Lake Mungo's dry lightning. In New Mungo National Park, massive dry lightning storms rage without rain, igniting ghost gums in a 40,000-year-old lunette lake bed. The walls of China dunes hold human fossils from 42,000 years ago, oldest cremation site. Fact number 2. The glowing mushroom highway. Under Queensland's wet tropics, a highway of glowing mushrooms lights up 100 species of bioluminescent fungi. Ancient rainforests hide this nightly spectacle in the Daintree, oldest on Earth at 180 million years. Fact number 1. Australia's boomerang shape. Like a giant boomerang, Australia's outline curves from tropical Darwin to icy Tasmania, enclosing the continent's empty core. Spanning 4,000 kilometers north-south, it traps heat, spawns cyclones, and hides reefs. No other landmass looks so perfectly primed for adventure.